Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. Look, there I am, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Please follow me if you like this. This is the May Target Beauty Box. And apparently it's already sold out because I can't find it online anymore. It is Festival Beauty Headliners. Coachella EDC Governor's Ball. Festival season is finally here. Or as I like to call it, Couchchella. That's where I watch Coachella from my couch on the YouTube feed. Anyway, to help you stand out from the crowd and make your life just a little bit easier, we've rounded up the beauty headliners that will make you the star of the show while I'm sitting on my couch, not waiting in line for the restroom, having very cheap food and alcohol, looking cute still in selfies, and watching the YouTube feed, and yeah, not overpaying for things. Couchchella. Anyway, let's get into the product. So, Target May Beauty Box. Festival Beauty Headliners. We also have a $3 coupon. Good until June 2nd. Maybe I'll try to use it this time. So we have the Dove Essentials Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Why? Because no one wants to smell you at conventions, festivals, wherever. Wear deodorant. Wear antiperspirant. Make sure you smell good. I wish I could have carried around like some of this at C2E2 because it's not only festival season, it's con season too. That's right, Comic-Con. Then we have Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. It exfoliates and hydrates, leaving skin soft and smooth for makeup application. So, basically it's cleanser that has exfoliator in it. And let's smell it. Let's just smell it. Unless it's got one of those things on it. Guess we're not smelling it. Then we have Sincerely Jules by Scunchie. Assorted jewelry hair rings. I have no idea how I'm going to use these. I might just give them away. Anyway, you're supposed to loop them through a boho braid and place them around the crown of a high pony for a festival-ready look in a blink. Okay, so weave into sections of hair, then secure with these spritz. You know me, look at this fine hair. You know the second I put these in my hair, the shit is falling out. We'll try it. I guarantee you I lose all these within like an hour. It's just the way it is. I know my hair. Why I got a headband on. Okay, Masque Bar holographic sheet mask. It's holographic foil. It's a peel-off mask. It revitalizes, moisturizes, illuminates. Yay. Hello, glow. You want your skin to glow at the festival. Then we have Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Sunscreen Mist. It's oil-free, it's weightless, it's good for touch-ups. Apply your sunscreen like normal, your lotion, and then spray this on because I guarantee you, if you use a spray alone, you will end up sunburnt. By the way, I love that Target puts these little seals around the liquid now so crap don't leak. Trust me though, don't rely just on mist or spray sunscreen. You will end up burnt every time. Little tip there from me. Then SGX NYC, the Do It All. It's 3-in-1 dry texture spray. It texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes hair. So it's basically like dry shampoo and hairspray at the same time, and texturizer. And I'm excited to try it. Volume, refresh, and hold. It's dry shampoo meets hairspray. It says it right there. Ah! I didn't read that first. I just figured 3-in-1 when it said that. Then finally, SinfulColors nail polish Fool for Azul, which is funny because I was looking on Instagram the other day, and I have to get my nails done next week, and I was like, what color do I want to do? What color do? Ooh. And I saw like Essie or one of them had a sky blue. Right here. Sometimes the universe provides. And this is the universe providing because it is kind of sky bluish, kind of robin egg blue. Whoop. Wait. Whoop. There you go. So yes, sometimes the universe just sends you messages. This will be on these by the end of the week. So, Target. I'm not gonna hold it upside down this time. Not, I got it. May 2019. Until next time, stay beautiful.